So if you just join in, welcome to Igor in Russia. In this video you will see the great celebration fireworks in the honor of breakthrough, the ending of siege of Leningrad, 79th anniversary. And we're gonna enjoy and watch city life here in St. Petersburg. You have to see this. Let's go, let's talk, enjoy. Alright, what's up guys, this is Igor in Russia, and now we at back from Vyborg to St. Petersburg, and we are going to watch and experience the celebration, the 79th celebration of the end of the siege of Leningrad. And we're gonna go to next to the place where they're gonna fire the fireworks. Check it out, by the way. Fireworks, and that's Peter and Paul Fortress. We might see the rostral columns lit, which is very rare. So welcome guys, keep up joining, keep on watching. People are gonna be watching the fireworks from this Petrogradsky side, which we are coming from. We just came from Gorkovskoye, the UFO metro station. And then there's and people's gonna watch from the other side of Neva River, from the State Hermitage side, on Petrogradsky side, the northern side of Neva River. Yes, this is, and typically this is the main place where stuff happens, because when there's stuff happening, there's a lot of big huge toilet line at the Burger King over there. We are walking now here at the Alexandrovsky Park, which is the park between the Peter and Paul Fortress and Gorkovskoye station, which I've also of course filmed on my channel. This is one of the main, this is where the whole St. Petersburg started building. This is the Peter Paul Fortress I filmed. And they're gonna shoot actually from the other side of us, from the beach side. It's gonna be amazing. This marks the full end of the encirclement of siege of Leningrad. Victorious Leningrad, St. Petersburg. And you can see actually there's full of police inside of that place. Some music playing. Somebody brought some more musical here, patriotic music. This whole place is full of people, so this whole bridge, the whole embankment over there, on the other side, and the other bridge over there as well, full of people everywhere. It's going to be awesomeness. I never experienced proper fireworks from so close. So welcome, keep up joining, guys. This is Igor in Russia from St. Petersburg. Just came back from Viborg city, streamed over their new video. And now I'm in my beautiful city, St. Petersburg. That makes me smile, happy, you know, awesome. If you want to comment, please subscribe to the channel. Paljonko kello on, kertokaa, how much is the fish? What time is it? That's by the way, Smolny over there. That's Smolny Cathedral. We were 3 weeks ago over there. So it's not that cold actually. It's minus maybe 2, 3, maybe 4. And we on the by the sea, by the lake. What is it? River. Waiting for the fireworks, guys. Oh, that's the rostral column over there. You never see it fully lit. A few times a year. So they actually celebrated the first breakthrough of siege. You know, I think it was the 8th of January, and now on 27th it's the celebration of the full encirclement, liberation of the full encirclement. Back in 44, we are a bit higher than everybody else. If you want to highlight your comment, please support the channel and use super chat or super sticker, or you can buy me a beer. We're gonna drink some beer tonight as well. It's celebration time. Oh my god. Of course I had to call. days. So we're now in St. Petersburg. This is the liberation of siege from the siege of Leningrad. Everybody leave a like and subscribe. I think it should end with a high note. Troitsky Most and observing this amazing show celebration from here. Hooray! Hurrah! So there you have it. Now it's gonna be a little chaos since everybody's going different directions. Oh wow! Check it out. It's amazing. Never River. Now cross the Never River, guys, if we can. Yes, thank you guys for watching. Let's go continue our city center exploration. Let's find some beer as well. It's Friday night, guys. So it's Friday night here with Igor in Russia, and it's very narrow to walk over here since there's a few thousand people on the bridge. So hey guys, everybody, members, that's the rostral columns lit. That's fire over there, and that's Kunstkamera. Yes, lovely view. Imagine seeing this every day. By the way, check it out. Something moving across the Never River.